So the number one question we always get asked is, how do I get started? How do I even get a loan to buy a house?
The first thing that you need to do is find a mortgage broker that you trust. The best way, Google. And we always have tons of referrals too if you want one. The reason why it's so important to go to a mortgage broker is because we can shop it for you and
Right.
find the very best lender that will fit your specific scenario.
Right, so we have 20 to 30 different lenders that we shop, and with that, I don't know how long we're gonna do it for, but we're waiving all of our lender fees. And so that saves our clients somewhere between $1,500 and $3,000 a month. And a lot of local lenders do this for their clients as well. And we are able to do this because we have such low overhead. We're not like these big, huge corporations.
Yeah.
And then what would you say the next thing is?
The next thing is when you have that conversation, we're going to go over, the different loan programs. These are based on, credit score, how much of a down payment you have, and then you'll know exactly what you need to do to get started.
Exactly, and I think a lot of people's biggest issue is they don't want to call up and get sold. They don't want to talk to a salesman, and that's why it's nice to work with a local broker, because we're part of the community, and our whole goal is to help our people and not try to sell you into a program. It's not like we're a call center where you're going to call up and then they're just ringing through and they have to get a sale. And so I want to get that misconception away that you're not going to be sold when you call your local mortgage broker. We're going to be an advisor to you. We're going to show you what your situation is, put all the numbers together, and then put the ball in your court so you can make an educated decision on how much house you can afford that fits within your budget. All the numbers work out, and then you can go out shopping with confidence.
Exactly. So after you have that first conversation, you'll just fill out an online application if you're ready to go, and then we request documents from you, make sure that your income lines up, that your funds are usable. There are rules. If you've had a job for less than 2 years, maybe we can't use overtime or bonus income. And, if you have just put cash in your bank account, we can't use that. So we go through everything with a fine-tooth comb and make sure that there aren't going to be any issues for you when you're ready to go purchase your home.
Exactly. So even if you're just in the beginning process and have questions, please reach out to us. We're always happy to help. And then when you're ready to go, we can put everything together, get you that pre-approval letter that's so important when you go out shopping. And then the fun begins. You can go out and find that perfect home with the realtor that you trust. And then after about 30 days from putting your offer in, you get the keys in your hand. So if you have any questions about the home buying process, just reach out. We're always happy to help. And hopefully we'll talk to you soon.